Hello guys, welcome to Diagnostics. Today what do we have here? This is a Toyota Aygo 2205, and this was brought in by another workshop. And then what's the issue? Let me show you guys. Let me start it. As you can see, so the car is on the ignition. You can see nothing is displaying except the check engine light and the battery light. We are expected to see some. So let me now start it. So I've started it now. You can see there's no nothing on dashboard. I mean, everything on dashboard is faint, and then we expect to have some mileage information. Nothing is showing. Then let me raise the car. That is the RPM meter. I'm now revving the car. I'm revving the car now. It's not working. So that was the problem with the car. Issue with the instrument cluster. So let's now do our diagnostics. Okay. So I want to connect my scanner. Although this car has already been diagnosed, but I want to show you some of those things. The thought process and the things I encounter on the way. So I want to connect my scanner. I think I will need to step out to do this. That's my DLC port. Okay. Now let me show you what I noticed. So let me put on my scanner. Yeah, I'll switch on my scanner, and then yeah, connecting my scanner, put on everything back. Some will say it has been repaired, then be fixed, and then I think we have some movement on the RPM meter. So let me start the car. See now, the RPM gauge is working. Let me rev the car. Yeah, it's working. So we can assume that the car has been fixed by just connecting my scanner. So what make the difference? What actually happened? Yeah. So from we can actually this is by connecting that scanner. Something after was absent before, is not present. So what that might be? So that means we need to go to the DLC of the scanner and see what was supposedly missing. So I have my trusted multimeter, and then let's go do this DLC. And then let me remove the DLC so we can see the difference. So I'll remove my DLC now. Everything that was supposedly fixed has been removed, and let me start it back. So the problem is still there. So let's check what's missing. So this is our DLC. Counting from here, this will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4, 5. Our Oh, this is a ground, sensor ground, and this might be chassis ground. I'm not sure, but I know this ground, 4, 5 are ground. One of them is chassis ground, one of them is sensor ground. And then these are pin 16, which is the um 12 volts. So let's start with that 16. Let's confirm whether it's there. So our 12 volts is there. So the problem might come from the one of those ground. So the pin 4 is there. Then the pin 5 is supposed to be another ground. You can see. So this is where our problem is coming from. So which actually means that connecting my scanner, my OBD port to the DLC point actually shorted the pin 4 to pin 5, which that's why we're having like it has been fixed. So a ground is missing on the pin 5, and then that ground that was missing was being introduced by these OBD ports. That's why it was assumed that it was being fixed by just connecting our scanner. So let's not chase the problem. I don't have already chased the problem. So let's go look for where the problem is. So like I say, it's a ground terminal, just this ground. So this I've already removed I removed from here. It might be very difficult for me to show you, but this is the chassis. This is the wire that brought that chassis. Now that is the wire connected to the chassis, and then this pin, this wire, brown wire, is the one that is connected to that pin 4 on the pin 5 on the OBD on the DLC port that we're having we're not having our ground. So let's confirm it. So sorry that is not clear. I'm referring to this brown wire. Is what is a point. That's this wire, this brown wire. Sorry, it wasn't clear. So let me now check to confirm.